In this section, we're going to look at set theory. So basically, a set is a collection of items, and an element is an item in a set. So for example, let's look at set F. Set F contains 1, 2, 5, and 6. Set L contains 4, 5, and 6. The union of two sets is a single set of all elements of the original sets. So if we were to make a union of F and L, the set would now become 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. The symbol in between the F and the L is used to represent a union of two sets. If we want to see the intersection of two sets, we want to look at the numbers that show up in both sets. So if we look at the intersection of F and L, we see that the numbers 5 and 6 show up in both sets. So we can now write the statement F intersects L equals 5 and 6. The symbol in between the F and the L represents intersection. Okay, we're now going to look at another example of finding the union and intersection of a set. So here we have set A, and set A includes the numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8. And we also have set B, which include numbers 5, 6, 7, 9, and 11. If we want to find the union of the two sets, we want to put the numbers of each set together to form one set. So the union of A and B equals 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. You see that we do not repeat any numbers. Now we want to find the intersection of sets A and B. So we look at what number shows up in both sets, and we can see that 6 shows up in both sets. So 6 equals the intersection of sets A and B. Now we're going to look at the cross product of two sets, sets A and B. Here we see that set A is numbers 1 and 2, and set B is 40, 50, 60. So when you want to do the cross product, you can set up a chart, as you see on the right, with set A on the left and set B on the top. When you do cross products, you want to create ordered pairs that include A and B. So in the first box, you see that it would be 1 and 40. Then it would be 1 and 50. Then 1 and 60. Next you would do 2 and 40. 2 and 50. And then finally 2 and 60. So each element of set A combines with each element of set B in order to form ordered pairs, and you can now see that the cross product of A times B would be all of those different ordered pairs.